Good day. Following are the biggest stories shaping India on 10th October 2025. India to upgrade its Kabul mission to full embassy, signaling diplomatic shift. New Delhi confirmed plans to transform its technical mission in Kabul into a full embassy, marking a strategic recalibration in its Afghanistan engagement. €350 million defense deal linked with UK for lightweight multi-role missiles. India finalized a €350 million agreement with the UK for Martlet missiles under defense export cooperation, enhancing strike capabilities amid evolving regional security dynamics. Textiles PLI scheme gets sweeping overhaul to boost global competitiveness. The Ministry of Textiles notified major amendments to the Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme covering man-made fibers and technical textiles, aiming to simplify compliance and attract new investment. Niti Aayog proposes decriminalizing tax offences, retaining only 6 for prosecution. In a draft reform, Niti Aayog recommends reducing the 35 tax offences to just 6 prosecutable ones, as part of a larger push to improve ease of doing business. RBI merges circulars into 238 master directives, access over 9,000 legacy ones. The Reserve Bank of India consolidated its regulatory instructions into master circulars to reduce redundancy and ease interpretation by regulated entities. Markets buoyed by strong TCSQ to performance and revived FPI inflows. Indian markets are poised to open on a positive note after Tata Consultancy Services delivered robust quarterly results, accompanied by fresh foreign portfolio investor interest. SBI hits fresh 52-week high, outpaces major banking peers. Shares of State Bank of India rallied 2.16% to ₹880.75, reaching a new annual high and outperforming peers like ICICI and IndusInd on sentiment in banking. Russia launches Mars missile drone assault on Ukraine as Kyiv and Zaporizhia plunge into blackout. One of the most intense coordinated attacks in months struck eastern Ukraine, targeting energy infrastructure and plunging Kyiv and Zaporizhia into darkness. At least 29 injured and widespread damage reported. Israel-Hamas ceasefire takes effect, displaced Gazans return to ruined homes. A US-brokered ceasefire went live at noon, with Israeli troops withdrawing from parts of Gaza and thousands of Palestinians endeavoring to return to their devastated neighborhoods. Yashasvi Jaiswal's unbeaten 173 breaks Tendulkar record as India dominate Day 1 versus West Indies. On Day 1 of the second test, Jaiswal scored a blistering 173 not out to become the youngest Indian to notch 5 150-plus scores, putting India firmly ahead at 318 for 2. That's all for today. Thank you. For daily headlines and facts, tune into our channel.